Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Would you be interested in learning how to use different electronic components and circuits and devices? Would you be interested in learning how to test different electronic components and devices? Would you be interested to learn how to use these components and devices to design different kinds of electronic circuits? Would you be interested to learn how to use digital multimeter, breadboard? Would you be interested to learn how to do soldering yourself? Would you be interested to learn how to design a printed circuit board? Would you be interested to learn how to use an electronic design software to design variety of electronic circuit all by yourself? My name is Dr. Vinayak Pachkode. I'm the founder and director of V. Pachkode Research Center, and we are bringing you first of its own kind a new training course called as Practical Electronics Do It Yourself training course. So this is a special one-to-one training program where we will teach you all the things related to electronic components, circuit design, PCB design, sensors, electronic components and the devices. So further description of the course details about enrollment, all these details are given in the description of this video below. Check this out. For details, you can visit our website www.vpachkode.com and use the email given in the description to communicate with us, or you can also call us for the given phone number. So take advantage of learning this specially designed practical electronics do-it-yourself course and be an expert, because you will learn all these things from the experts.